This move a lot of the times moves down during this hour, then reverses when London opens. Have you traded during this hour to take advantage of the move? No, I haven't. I like to sleep, so trading at 11 or 12 o'clock at night is just not my ideal time. But you're right. That is a viable pattern. You will see the market move down prior to the London Open and then back up. You'll also see the opposite. Generally, you'll just see action around that time. I prefer to focus on the London Open because the moves tend to be a bit more reliable. That's just my subjective thinking and my observation. So if I were trading during those hours, I wouldn't necessarily worry about the European session transition. I would be primarily focused on London because those customer orders, basically what you're seeing is the customer orders from the EU are starting to push into London. Those traders are at their desk. They've had a chance to observe what's going on in the market, and then they start pushing the market around to match up the buys and the sells. Next up is Daryl. He says, Dear Mac, my work schedule Monday through Friday, 3 a.m. to 1 p.m. Pacific time. Not much time for pound US dollar. Is there another market you could suggest with good volatility that would fit my time frame? Well, I would rather see you go into the market a little bit earlier. If you've got to be at work at 3 a.m., if you could be up around midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, you'd be able to catch that London Open, and you'd have a lot of good trades at your disposal. So you are not going to be able, Daryl, are not going to be able to trade, obviously, during the New York Open. So again, probably shift your schedule a couple of hours earlier. That's a brutal time to get up, even at 3 o'clock in the morning. But if you're on that type of schedule anyway and you're used to it, that would be my suggestion. My other suggestion would be to take advantage of some of the news trades which are on the site. I'm in the process of recording some videos that will highlight some of the price action and different tactics to get in. In fact, to let everybody know, I really think that now that you have the course, you've got a huge leg up on this whole crop of news traders which have had it easy. Let me tell you, most of the news traders out there that are retail traders, they've gotten used to trading the spikes. They're used to raking in 10, 15, 20 pips on a news announcement fairly easily. And let me tell you, that window is closing. The brokers are eradicating that arbitrage window where they've been able to take advantage of the delay in price reactions. What brokers are doing is increasing the spread, like what Pam has experienced. They're just outright taking stops and doing things to encourage people to open up accounts somewhere else. Because remember, when you're trading with a regular Forex broker, when you're making money, you're taking money directly out of their pocket. So this is a sidetrack, by the way, Daryl, to your question. Now, once you have an understanding of how the market works, you understand chart patterns, you are going to be able to trade these news announcements much more effectively than someone who's just relying on a piece of software to get them into a position, or they're relying on the spike to somehow get them in. Hang on a second. Get a drink here.